The sky's a mirror, it shows my pain. Every drop feels like my name, whispered softly by the rain. I tried to hide, but the clouds won't fade. They know my secrets, they know my shame. Shadows in the rain, calling me again. Every tear a story untold. Shadows in the rain won't let me remain. They pull me into the cold. The pavement shines like a broken dream, caught between the cracks, it seems.